To start this project, you'll need 2 pieces of plexiglass, then some 25mm PVC piping. Then drill holes along the pipe. Then remove the plastic film. Then cut 2 squares of aluminium and stick them to the plexiglass. Then drill a 25mm hole in one of the squares and stick the PVC pipe to it. Then add a dowel rod to the hole. Then strip some cable and stick it to the tinfoil. Okay, so now that we have our frame all made up, we are going to use high voltage. Now, of course, not everybody has access to high voltage, but if you use one of these, this works really well and it does have high voltage. So I like to make it accessible for everybody. So if you just go down to your local hardware or your supermarket, you'll get one of these. So what we're going to do, we're going to take out the PC board and I'll show you what to do with it next. So let's start by taking this PC board out. Okay, so now that we got the PC board removed, we need to remove this high voltage capacitor and attach it to the 2 leads that are on the 2 plates, and then we're going to add a 9-volt lead onto the end here. So let's go ahead and do that. After multiple attempts, they just seemed to bounce all over the show. I don't know what seemed to be the problem. So I decided to use 2 aluminium dishes. Let's see if that works. Of course, it just bounced all over the show. Okay, so perhaps it needs a bigger surface, so I'm going to just use this as a template and just draw around it. I don't want to use my dishes, otherwise my wife is going to beat me up. Okay, so I could just put aluminium onto the dish, but then my wife won't be too happy, so let's go ahead and cut this out. Okay, so this is large surface area in 3, 2, 1, and it just bounces around. Okay, so if you guys have watched the Plasma channel, you'll see that he takes a shape of tinfoil like this and is able to make it levitate with high voltage. So it's just suspended in mid-air like so. Now I like to replicate those type of things using the simplest things available so that everyone can actually give it a try. Now perhaps you guys can come right with this, so I say go give it a go and see if you guys can make it, but I just cannot seem to get this to float probably because I don't have all the bells and whistles, and I'm not as smart as the plasma guy. But anyway, so what we're going to do now, we'll put a whole bunch of these and see if they can levitate. So let's go for it. I hope you enjoyed this video and ready to try out your own levitation station. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.